Diabetes Freedom Review. Many of us have heard or experienced how severe diabetes can make our lives. Especially if you've been fighting with it for many years and you cannot find the exact reason or the correct solution. Even if you are not suffering from it, you have probably seen your loved ones going through severe diabetes. Now all are trying to control their lives in the hope of long-term treatment for this terrible disease. By understanding your situation and to keep you healthy, here's a great solution for your diabetes problem. Diabetes Freedom is a program that helps to reduce the impact of diabetes and prevent diabetes with natural treatments. In addition to special exercises or expensive medicines, this protocol helps to get rid of diabetes and related health problems. To learn more about the function of this program, read this review completely. What is diabetes freedom? Diabetes freedom is one of the practical ways to reverse type 2 diabetes and is performed using the Phytohack method. These methods are a means to reduce fat cells, and their accumulation places are effectively demolished. In this way, you can achieve more insulin secretion in the body without causing imbalance problems. The process compounds contain an element called phytonutrients, and that includes ingredients such as flavonoids, lignans, and profenylphenols. They are active substances in the body and help increase insulin levels to balance metabolism. The method can fight and break down DNA structures and eliminate problems with genes diabetes. It also can remove them and protect against inflammation. How does diabetes freedom works? Diabetes freedom is not a magic pill to quickly replace diabetes in its users. It is a practical way to decrease the risk and protect a person from developing type 2 diabetes. This system works by the Phytohack method. This method reduces body fat and destroys fat deposits. It encourages the body to produce insulin without affecting other body functions. It does not need any medications or expensive protocols. The application offers a better way to make your daily routine healthy. Therefore, you can also lessen your weight and maintain insulin levels in your pancreas. You can also see how fat cells burn through polyphenols and lignans, which can produce so-called strong catalytic effects. With this, you can easily eliminate toxins stored in the pancreas. Here are some steps you have taken to reverse type 2 diabetes. Features of diabetes freedom. Reverse type 2 diabetes. The amazing thing about this diabetes freedom is that it can help the average person reverse type 2 diabetes. Works fast, you don't have to wait long to get noticeable results from this comprehensive system. Lose weight. The resources of this product make slimming faster and more effective than ever. Increased energy. Many people using this system say they feel more energetic than during the day. It will be extremely useful at various levels of everyday life. Get healthy. The tips and information included in this system will help you become a healthier person with a longer life expectancy. Pros. Diabetes freedom fights against type 2 diseases. It is cheap and affordable. All steps in this program are easy to understand and follow. It's a natural way to fight type 2 diabetes. This program improves the quality of life. There is a 60-day money-back guarantee. Cons. This program will be available online only. The results are not typical and may vary from person to person. Conclusion. Diabetes freedom has been scientifically tested and provides the best result from the experience. Another great feature of this product is that it offers a 100% money-back guarantee that leaves with nothing to lose. The diabetes program is also not a magic pill and it will not improve your condition overnight. It changes your lifestyle and changes you into the best version even without complications. It offers a unique range of benefits and is also affordable. For this reason, many people were recommended to others for their diabetes issues. Diabetes freedom is that it suits everyone. So do not miss this opportunity. Grab it quickly.